In this video, we show you how to replace the battery in the wireless Smart Control foot control. When your Smart Control foot control battery is empty, you will get a message on the Smart Touch operating panel. Switch Axano off at the standby switch before replacing the battery, so you do not inadvertently trigger any functions. The battery compartment is on the bottom of the Smart Control. Open the battery cover using a screwdriver, for example. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity. Now close the battery compartment. You can then check the battery level once again. If the yellow LED lights up for approximately 10 seconds directly after insertion, the battery is okay. If the LED flashes after insertion, the battery is too weak. If it does not light up at all, the battery is empty or unsuitable for use. Switch Axano on again after replacing the battery and check its function. You do not need to log into Smart Control again after battery replacement. You can continue working immediately.